think I broke up with you? Damn it, can't you see I don't need this crap? I can't believe this, bitch, give me my CDs back. In fact, how's that for a turn on? For your ugly ass in the face, I wouldn't even shoot on. I'll tell you this much, you really got me pissed off, you flat-chested bitch. You really thought I would this off? I try to be nice, but if all you want is beef, then a word of advice so you can sink your teeth in. I can be your bearer of ill rotten blues. When you disregard me, sweat, I bring bad news.
One time for my posse, two time for my homes. We be chilling in the backseat, where we bury the bone. One time for my posse, two time for my homes. We be chilling in the backseat, where we bury the bone. One time for my posse, two time for my homes. We be chilling in the backseat.
Yo, listen, my experience limited, reputation is credited. The locals vetted, man, I have to live here, please edit it. You can type that I'm quite nice if you buy it. I like my weekends private, real peaceful and quiet. I don't condone violence, read books for recreation. I interfere with politics and public relations. So put that in your piece and a little in it, please. Doesn't matter if you bend the truth a little bit, see. Next time I'm in the studio, I'll take my grudges out, and you can get the clean version sent to your house. This is my scene now, and I'ma quake for more till the world breaks. What the fuck you take